we will send parachutes on the guns of the foe and still get ready. Airborne from skies of blue, heading the door. We're coming. Make the jumps and take your bows today. Let's go put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachutes, get all those gliders ready to attack today. Hook up!
And today on Have a Knife Day, it is December 17th, and we're continuing on with our 24 days of Knifemas with our Boker Plus Advent Calendar. We're building the knife that you see on this box. So without any further ado, here is the 17th. Oh, there's another kind of scale. That's pretty tactile, I can tell you that much for sure. Let me go ahead. Actually, it has more scales than shown on the pictures. And we'll see as I bring what came before. There you go. So, wow, that is a goodly amount. Well, I suppose that this is if you don't want to have a bolster. That kind of makes sense. There you go. So we'll get a good look at this over here. We have the carbon fiber ones. We have the OD greens. We have the steel liners. We have some beautiful bolsters, a knife blade, and everything you see before you, to include this PVC patch, challenge coin, and neck gaiter. Because why not? Why not? Thank you so much for spending time here today with me on Have a Knife Day. Stay tuned. I'm looking to do one of these a day. And just think, in 7 days, we're going to have a knife day.
We will send parachutes on the guns of the foe and still get ready. Airborne from skies of blue, heading the door. We're coming. Make the jumps and take your bows today. Let's go put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachute.